After you upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11, maybe you will find Windows.OLD from previous Windows or Windows 10. It's many disk space. You can delete safety via your settings and type setting in here. After that, you can scroll down and choose storage. This is storage, and choose temporary files. This is still scanning. It's still scanning previous Windows installation in here. We need to wait. This is after scanning completed. We can check this and remove files. You can click this and then okay, that's all. We can remove files. We continue. It's purging previous Windows installations. It's safe to delete Windows.OLD via system storage and temporary files rather than we delete directly from system or C. The process is completed. Now let's see our Windows.OLD on C drive in here. It's clean. That's all.